Is that hot sauce?
Yeah. If we put this in the fridge, though, it will solidify. I don't know if you
So,
want that or not.
wait, so what did you just add to that?
Say it with me. Cow, 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 cow.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Becoming One. I'm JimmieV and this is...
Hi, I'm Angela Scalaw. I am with Heartland Homestead Families.
What did you just add to that?
Your tallow.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, okay, all right.
So it makes a dip.
She just added some of this, which is the rendered tallow, in with some of this, and we're not sponsored, we're not making any money, but Lola's Fine Hot Sauce, and you just mixed it together and put it in the refrigerator.
Yes. And this one specifically has 0 carbs to it, and it's got really clean ingredients. That's
Really?
why I like that one. So.
Oh my gosh, this could be good. This could be good.
Here, it's not solidified yet.
Okay. Yeah, it'll take a little bit, I'm sure. But can I taste one of those gum?
Absolutely.
So
I would salt it up.
these are the cracklins that are left over from when we were rendering that tallow. Some people like it with salt, I guess. I like it plain.
You like it plain?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I like that. I like a steak that's got a lot of fat around the outside, or a pork chop that's got a lot of fat around the outside, and then you cook it. Oh my gosh. I would almost much rather have the fat than the steak, personally.
Yes.
That's just me. So I don't have to salt this stuff up whenever I'm eating it.
So they kind of look crunchy. Are they crunchy, or would you say they're more melty?
No,
soft?
these are kind of a soft. The smaller pieces are crunchy, or a little bit more. I mean, I imagine that if we cooked it down even more, they would get more crunchy. But right now, just for the short amount of time that we had them on the stove, the bigger pieces are more soft, but the smaller pieces do have a little bit of crunch to them.
Correct. Yum.
Man,
Yum, yum, yum.
that's actually
You want a tallow or hot sauce
Yeah,
dip?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, here,
Gonna give it
here.
a try?
Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Okay. I just squished it. I can taste the hot sauce in there. It's not hot though.
Not really
I don't
hot.
know. Well, I started that big piece I had when I squeezed
You
it
might.
squished.
Okay.
Here's a crunchy piece.
Okay.
I didn't want to stick my fingers all the way down in that.
It's your dip.
Mm.
You get to.
Okay. It's pretty good. The hot sauce isn't as hot as what I thought it would be, but it's good. I mean, it's like barely even hot.
Barely there. So
Yeah.
add more, add less to
Yeah.
your taste, and
Yeah.
then if you put it in the fridge, it will firm up like a regular dip, and then you can pretend like you're having chips and dip on a
That
carnivore
is
diet.
a fantastic idea.
I don't
Oh my
know.
gosh.
Yeah.
I'm definitely doing this week. Where'd you get this?
This I've gotten at my local grocery store.
Really?
Lola's hot sauce.
Okay.
Just look
All
for
right.
something clean with no carbs. My preference, but
Okay.
Yep.
Oh,
either way,
Man, that's such a good idea. I can't wait to go home and do this.
yeah, yay, exciting.
I've been looking for little things like this for some time. And these are all just little ways to mix it up, to break up the same thing every day, to keep your diet, your meals changing so it's interesting and it doesn't get horribly boring and you get tired of it.
Exactly.
Right.
That, and socially, you don't look like the awkward person out.
Right.
When everyone else is having their
Right.
chips and dip. Bring your own.
Right.
Carnivore style. Boom.
Yes, that
There
is
you go.
an excellent idea. Oh my gosh. And that stuff's good.
Good. Awesome.
Thanks.
Oh, absolutely.